Gear acquisition syndrome. This is what I've been suffering from a very long time, and I guess मेरी तरह आप में से भी कई लोग इसका शिकार होंगे. Whenever I see a gadget or a piece of gear that I really like, I just keep on watching endless YouTube videos about it, read a lot of reviews, and this goes on endlessly until I get it. इस बार भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ. I wanted to get a wireless mic system for my cameras and phone, and I kept on researching on various wireless mic systems, and this went in for a month, day in and day out, endlessly. And the self argument kept on going inside me ki, do you actually need it? Will it make your videos any better? And you've already spent so much on the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. But this time also my feelings overpowered my logic, and finally परेशान होकर my wife finally said, Rohan, go ahead and buy this mic, क्योंकि जब तक तुम माइक खरीदोगे नहीं तुम्हें चैन नहीं आने वाला. So here I am again with you with the unboxing and testing of the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless mic combo. चलिए इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं and let's see what do we have inside. बड़ी सॉलिड पैकिंग करी इन लोगों ने, पर ठीक है, महंगा आइटम है तो पैकिंग तो अच्छी होनी चाहिए. ये इतना वेल टेप्ड है कि इसको लिटरली फाड़ना पड़ रहा है. ऑल राइट, another bubble wrap. Here you go. So here it is, finally, the Hollyland Lark M2 combo. Let's unbox this now. Unboxing maybe it's a satisfaction of its own. Here it is, the Hollyland Lark M2, and यहाँ पे there are a couple of stickers and all. After sales card. Let's take this out. ये इसका box है, which is also a charging case. इसके अंदर आपके दोनों mics and your receiver. यहाँ पर आपका ये lightning adapter, and this is the type C adapter for type C phones. Oh, look at the size. इतने छोटे और इतने light हैं ये transmitters. You've got a magnetic clip here which you can put inside your shirt, and it will just clip on like this. Amazing. Here is the volume adjustment. अगर आप vlogging कर रहे हैं या फिर podcast कर रहे हैं उसके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है, because there are 2 units over here. अब देखें इसके नीचे भी कुछ है क्या. Okay, there is something else. There's a carrying pouch. This is made of nylon, very nicely made. And यहाँ पर आपके I think these are the dead cats. तो अगर आप windy environment में film कर रहे हैं, so you can use these dead cats. There are 2 of them for both the mics. यहाँ पर भी कुछ है. This is a lanyard, and you can wear it around your neck also. So ये भी आपका magnetic है, and it will easily mount. There are 2 of them again. तो आप अपनी neck के around इसको लगा लीजिए, and your mic will stick to it. इस pouch के अंदर और कुछ भी है. Let's see what we've got. तो type C to USB है, and this is an audio cable. We have something else also, magnetic collar clip again. अगर आप चाहें तो सीधे अपनी टी-शर्ट में इसको ऐसे करके डालिए, and then you can magnetically connect your mic to it. So we got a lot of accessories with the Hollyland Lark M2 system. So चलिए इसका टेस्ट करते हैं, and let's see how it performs. Now I am in my loft and recording from the Hollyland Lark M2. The volume is set to level 2, which is the middle one. There are only 3 settings: low, medium and high. So this is the medium, and let's see how it sounds. Now I'm outside my house. I'm walking a little away from my camera. I've got the wind muff on because this really helps when you're recording outside. And let's see how the audio quality is. I'm continuously going away, and I think itna distance काफ़ी है, which I'll be normally and practically using. But still देखते हैं कितनी दूर जा सकता हूँ मैं. So I'm approximately 25 meters away from my camera, and this is a pretty good distance. तो ऑडियो क्वालिटी में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं आना चाहिए. लेट्स सी how this audio turns out to be. I think it'll be great. जितने भी मैंने reviews देखे हैं Hollyland Lark M2 के, people have been satisfied with it. So I hope I'm too. For this test, I'm going to turn away from the camera and walk towards the cars over there, and let's see whether the recording drops or not. Chaliye, I'm turning around now and I'm walking towards the cars. My back is towards the receiver, so I think ये recording drop हो रही होगी because the line of sight has to be proper. मुझे लगता है अभी recording drop हो रही होगी as my body is coming between the receiver and the transmitter. Let's see. Now I'm facing the camera again and walking towards it. Hopefully the recording will not be dropping at this point of time. Let's see how it goes. And abhi tak to results are pretty okay. I was pretty surprised to see that there was no drop in the recording even with my back against the receiver. So this is really amazing and I'm pretty happy about it. I think ये recording ठीक ठाक है. अब वो तो कंप्यूटर में जाके पता लगेगा whether this is actually good or not. So that was the unboxing and review of my Hollyland Lark M2 along with my DSLR, and the last part of this video is being recorded on my iPhone 16 along with the Hollyland Lark M2, and the review of the iPhone 16 is coming very soon. Stay tuned for that and have a wonderful day. Cheers.